one of the few operational aircraft here today. It's one of the most advanced and deadliest attack helicopters in the world. And as recently promoted in the film said, even more powerful than the young boy's wish. See the Apache there now, maneuvering to a 90-degree nose down and a left twist, allowing it to manoeuvre. This allows it to transfer height and speed, and the Apache rapidly accelerates now, allowing it to both conceal itself if necessary, or in this case manoeuvre into position for a pedal turn. This is similar to a stall turn that you might see in a fixed-wing aircraft. We're now running in for what's called a 360-degree wing over. Another weapon capability at their disposal is the aerial rocket system. It has two bullets you can see on the outside of the wings there as it comes into a long 270-degree wing aircraft. There is four variants of rockets deployed by the British Army, and each rocket pod comes with a mixed variant of 19 rockets, giving the crew the option to fire anything from a single rocket to all 76 rockets at once with devastating effect. Of course, you see the crew manoeuvring now. They're showing you the Apache is not just one of the most powerful attack helicopters in the world, but agile too. And with all the pilots today, remember the easier it looks, the better the pilot. And the crew are coming in for one of the most stomach turning moves, in my opinion. That's a 90-degree nose up, immediately followed by a 90-degree nose down. I want you to look at how close those rotor blades get to the front of the aircraft where Lily's sitting. The fire control radar, known as the SCR, is capable of a 360-degree view around the aircraft and can identify up to 256 targets, prioritising the 16 highest threats to the crew and locking their weapon system to that target. It will even tell the crew if the target is a wheeled or tracked vehicle, helicopter or fixed wing, and their rate of direction of travel. Okay, we're coming up to the next of the best of your float opportunities now, as the aircraft gets ready to manoeuvre. You can see now what they're going to do is move their way along the runway, doing a 360-degree turn. Now obviously helicopters are the only thing in the world that are capable of flying in all directions. And the aircraft system there on the Apache means pilots can actually get the aircraft to do this without even touching the controls. However, I can assure you that's not the case today, and the pilot is fully in control the entire time. If you look at it well, you're also able to see that 30mm cannon moving around now underneath the aircraft. You see that sound underneath the flight. Rounds per minute. And a quick enjoy the movie Blue Thunder, this is basically a massive advancement in that technology. Each of the pilots has a monocle that sits in front of their right eye, which effectively acts as a heads-up display. This not only tells them all their navigation and all the other avionics equipment's readings, but also allows them to slate the weapon systems with the crosshair in their eye. That means wherever the pilots look, the gun also looks. Superb. I have to say, we like it. That's good. Now, ladies and gentlemen, just to warn you, what we will be having next is the roll demo. It will get noisy. There will be two